Okay, so we're still doing elimination. Nothing new, just extra practice with when you have to multiply first. So let's go through this example together. If I look at the coefficients for x, I have a 5 and a 3. Those are not the same, so I can't add or subtract to get rid of my x's. If I look at my y's, I have a 9 and an 8. Those also are different, so I can't just add or subtract to get rid of them. So I have to multiply first to make these coefficients equal the same thing. So when I look at 5 and 3, there's nothing I can multiply 3 by to get 5. And there's nothing I can multiply 8 by to get 9. That means I'm going to have to multiply both of these equations. So I'm going to pick the smaller numbers. I'm going to deal with the 5 and the 3. So between 5 and 3, the first multiple they have in common is 15. So I'm going to make both of these x's equal 15. That means the first equation is going to get multiplied by 3, and the second equation is going to get multiplied by 5. So this becomes 15x plus 27y equals negative 15. Don't forget to multiply the last constant at the end of the equation. That's usually what we forget. Second equation, I get 15x minus 40y equals negative 15 as well. So now 15 and 15 have the same sign, so we're going to subtract. That's going to eliminate the x's. 15 minus 15 is 0. Then I have 27 minus a negative. That means 27 plus 40. So I have 67y. And then negative 15 minus a negative means plus, so it's 0. So y is 0. Now I'll plug that in to figure out what x is. I guess I'll use the second equation, so I'm going to be working with this one. So I have 3x minus 8. I know what y is. It's 0. So I have 3x equals negative 3, because this is just 0. So x is negative 1. I think the answer is negative 1, 0. We'll check it on the next slide. Negative 1, 0. Remember, this is my x and this is my y. So I'm going to set up my check. So instead of variables, I'll put parentheses. And then I'll plug in x is negative 1 and y is 0. So this is negative 5. This is just 0. The first one checks out. The second one, instead of variables, parentheses. X is negative 1, y is 0. That is just 0. They both check out. I can put my answer in the box. We're done with example 1. You've got 3 practice problems. Try to solve them by yourself, and then just watch the video to see if you did it correctly. And if you made any mistakes, you can fix them.